We're here at Trucktoberfest at the Mack Truck Museum and I guess Product Test Development Center. Don't know how active it really is, but there's plenty of new stuff here. Got a new Pinnacle, a bunch of other ones. Some of these are compressed natural gas. Some of these are liquefied natural gas. Brand new. Over here we have a really tough looking Granite. Spokes up front. Dayton's if you want. And really tall rubber. It does have a DEF tank on it, which makes me think it could stay in this country, but it's also wearing a sticker on the windshield that says it's for export only. So, mystery solved. Got a nice variety of products here. And got a front load garbage truck here, heel body. It'll never be this clean again. I don't know if you ever sat in one of these before, but the view is really different from traditional truck, of course. Take a look. So, if you're a garbage man, this is what you're going to see every day. And I was sort of surprised that really all we have for controls over here is to raise and lower the arm and raise and lower the forks. Guess it's keep it simple type strategy. There's all your controls for the packer body. And the passenger's way over there. Get your backup camera. All your emissions nonsense. Automatic, of course. Makes sense in a truck of this nature. So here's a compressed natural gas Pinnacle, and another one. Got some more traditional power plants here and diesel ones. Pinnacle again. Gold Bulldog on the hood. Not sure if that still represents an all Mack drivetrain. Very well could. Here it is. Pretty nice interior. This one's an automatic as well. Technically I suppose it's a Mack M drive, which is a form of automatic. A little different. But really nice. Here's the sleeper. I'm standing up and I'm just a little under 6 feet in. I've got plenty of room. Nice little touches. Over here we got a setback Mack Granite, all set up most likely for the Pennsylvania Turnpike. It's got that color scheme. It's got a really nice granite triaxle next to it. This one's got an Allison automatic. And there's all your plowing controls. One-way plow up front. This has a Cummins ISL 9. 345 horsepower, I'm interpreting from the sign here. It's pretty nice. Actually, not for the turnpike, but for these nice folks. Probably a state bid, so they look very similar. Nice truck. Winter is coming. Did have a light on the dash to let you know when the body's up, so can't be smashing into any bridges and saying you didn't know. They don't come much nicer. This is the Mack Pinnacle, and I'm pretty sure this is the rawhide interior package. We got diamond plate floor mats, captain chairs, all the leather trim. Once again, this is an M drive. Pretty nice. Even comes with a pillow and a blanket. There's your storage. Your fridge. See the view from behind the wheel. Whole row of switches, buttons and toggles. Very nice.